guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Pat McGrath Mothership look. I'm going to recreate a video that I saw on YouTube, so if you're interested in seeing this look and how I achieved it, just keep watching. Hi guys, so I know brows are like, holy bejesus, what was I thinking? But they always look like that before I put on any eyeshadow. Today I am playing Need I Say More. Now, when I was showing people at work this, I was going, oh, or, you know, oh, Slovenia. Okay, get a grip on yourself. I'm so excited that I picked this up. I've wanted it for a really long time. I have used it every single solitary day this week, except for yesterday when I did a different look for YouTube, but every single day I have been using this. I have just put it to work. I wanted to really try it, work with it a lot, to see what I thought about the palette itself and whether I thought it was worth it to buy. And let me just tell you, spoiler alert, I'm in love with it. I did copy an entire look that Mel Thompson did on her channel. Beautiful look. I absolutely loved it. I wore it to work one day. I just want to jump into this. It's not truly a tutorial. I'm just going to throw on the eye look just so you can see how the product works, and then we'll talk about it at the end. I have on my foundation, I have a mix of a bunch of stuff on today. I have a little Giorgio Armani, I have a little bit of my Clinique Acne Solutions, and then I have a little bit of NARS Sheer Glow. And then I have my powder on today. I'm using the Hourglass Mineral Veil powder, and I have my brows done, which is my new Anastasia Beverly Hills, because oh gosh, I'm dropping everything. So excited. You know, in the bottom of this box, the box is like absolutely gorgeous. You know, her artwork is absolutely amazing, and that's the back of the box. I will never get rid of this box. There's the inside of the box, and then at the base of the box there's the little paper that tells you all the names of the product, which I get it. She's, you know, high-end and she doesn't want to put the names on her product, but I just wish it was on the inside. Here is the actual eyeshadow case. Of course, it's all, let me try and make it look pretty for you. It's all fingerprinted up for me using it so much. I say that this could be a weapon. You could keep it on your side table at night to sleep with because it is so heavy and weighted. You could pick this up, this little, you know, sharp edge right to the corner of someone's temple, you're safe for life. So it's like a dual purpose eyeshadow palette and a weapon to save you. It's gorgeous. It's, you know, got that logo, the Pat McGrath Labs logo embossed in gold. It's got a beautiful beveled edged mirror right there, and then there's all the eyeshadow colors. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited about doing this eyeshadow look, and to be honest, I think I'm going to repeat that Mel Thompson look. Now, of course, her look, she's a makeup artist, is going to look 100 times better than mine, but I love the way that the eyeshadow look turned out, so we're going to try and do it again, okay? So we're going to just start with the light brown color. It's called Entrapment. It's this color right here. I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my crease. Yeah, I was actually really stunned by doing that look that she did because, number one, it turned out absolutely gorgeous. Number two, she uses a lot more eyeshadow colors than I would use. So it was actually fun to really get into the eyeshadow palette and get it, you know, use a lot more colors than I normally would. It just absolutely turned out gorgeous, and it was pairing some colors that I wouldn't have thought to do. But I'm absolutely loving how this palette blends out, how easy it is to work with, and yeah, couldn't be happier. I'm trying to remember this because obviously I don't have the video up because I'm talking to you guys. Usually when I'm getting ready, I have a, my iPad's there right now, but I have my iPad leaning against my mirror and I have that going while I'm getting ready. So it's like my background noise, but not for today. We got that put in. Now I'm going to use the darkest color, and this is called Extreme Aubergine. This dark color, we're going to go to that next. And we're just putting this really out here on the outer V. So I'm just really patting it right there. Going over here, just to pat it right there so that I can keep it nice and low Because you know me, I start moving with product and it's everywhere then. Now we're going to go into Blitz Flame. That's this red color right here, and that's going to go in the outer half. And I'm using a flatter brush to put that on with. So you can see this color. Look at that. Unbelievable. This palette is literally my favorite right now. What is it? VR Fire Opal. This color right here. I don't know if you can see you can go from like this pink to green in that duochrome. It's so pretty. That's going to go on the inner half. Right here. This color is a little bit chunkier, so I want to get my brush a little bit wet with some Fix Plus. And then I'm going to pat that on here. I'm going to go to Rose Gold, this color right here, which I am addicted to. And it's going to go in between the green and the red on my eyes. So I'm just going to clean off this brush. A little bit of this color, which is unbelievably stunning. Look at that. Oh, it's going to go right here in the middle. It's going to kind of help melt the two colors together. Oh, so pretty. I'm going to go into a little bit of Skin Show Divine Glow. That's this white color down here, and that's going to go on my brow bone arch. On the inner corner, I'm going to do Astro Lunar Gold. It looks like it's a white shade, but once it's on the eye, I don't know if you can see it, it looks gold. It's so really neat color. Under my eyes is going to be Blitz Flame. I'm going to take a brush just like this, a round brush, and I'm just going to put that right under my eyes. Now I'm going to just take, to line the top, I'm not going to go crazy. I'm just going to take this, what's this called? Disobedient, this dark. I'm going to line the upper lash line, and then I'm going to go put some eyeliner on and finish up my face, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so that's the completed look. I put on some blush, some bronzer, and I did Vinvenito in my waterline, and I did some mascara, and what I have on my lips is the Too Faced Pout About It lipstick with a little bit of sugar over that, and I think it turned out really pretty. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. If you are on the fence about picking this up, if you're considering it but you don't know if you want to pull the trigger, do it. You will not regret it. I absolutely love it. Every single solitary color in this palette is beautifully pigmented. Every single color stays on for hours, is true to the color that's in the pan. They blend so easily. I absolutely love this palette. I am so glad that I picked this up. Pat McGrath knocked it out of the park as per usual, and I am loving the look. I can't say enough good things about this palette. I know that she's come out with 3 new palettes. They're smaller palettes for the holidays. I'm kind of on the fence. I'm going back and forth because this palette kind of has some of the colors that are in the one palette, the red palette or the pink palette, I think it's red, that I really want. It has some of the colors in this one and the other Pat McGrath palette that I already have, so I'm kind of like on the fence of whether I should pick that up or not, but who knows, maybe I will. I really enjoyed recreating this from Mel Thompson. Like I said, I'm going to link her channel down below. I absolutely love her. She does great reviews, and it's really fun to go out of the box and try something on yourself that you've not tried before, and I'm just always stunned when something looks good on me that I would never have paired together. So I hope you enjoyed the look. If you did, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, and until next time, have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!